decided instead of going on a run at Karura, we were just gonna take a little road trip to some waterfalls that we've never been to. So we're driving about an hour outside of Nairobi to see the 14 falls. I think there's another waterfall around it. Maybe we'll go to. I don't know. We don't know much about it, but we saw it on the, where is it? Where Next Family on YouTube. They live in Kenya, and we thought it looked cool. So we're all gonna find out together what this is. So we're going to a new area, and that's cool in itself. I've never been out in this area, so I'll show you guys. I was wrong. This is Ruiru. We're headed towards Thika, but this is Ruiru. Oh, look at this big church. I'm assuming that's a church. Yeah, it's always fun getting out of Nairobi and seeing all these other areas. We just turned down a dirt road and
there's no turning.
Yeah, let me check the maps, but you keep going straight, I'm pretty sure, because it hasn't popped up. I think we're about like 10 minutes from the waterfalls, so now we just gotta find it, but there's some big mountain here. Do you know this area? This mountain?
It was written down there, Hollandonian something.
Yeah, I wonder if people hike it.
I think people hike it.
Yeah, let me check the maps and see where we're at. Guys, we are really out here. We're not really sure if people normally come here. But we just got help on some directions, so we think we're near. I mean, it's a national park, so we'll see. Guys, we just got in. It was 2,000 shillings for me, free for him. Yeah.
2,000 shillings for both of us.
Well, just saying, if people are wondering how much it costs for foreigners, for non-residents. And then we had no idea what you could do here, but apparently there's boat riding, zip lines, all that, an extra cost, and you can even camp here. But yes, what was included is walking around the waterfalls.
See if I can park in some shade.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta show you guys. This place was so beautiful and totally unexpected. I didn't even know that this existed just right outside of Nairobi. I will say that it is a place that maybe you want to bring a little picnic or something to do, some friends, because there wasn't a whole lot to do, and they were telling us that you aren't allowed to just like walk around down by it by yourself. But it was very peaceful. And it was interesting seeing everybody cross the river because, oh my gosh, it was so scary. We were like, we are not crossing this thing. Like, I don't know, you can't really tell, but like, it just drops into a waterfall. But then we see all these like people doing it with little kids on their back. And I don't know if maybe we missed it, but somebody literally fell with a kid. And I'm like, oh my gosh, please don't go over. But they convinced us because we were like, what else are we going to do? And we drove all the way out here. So here we are, fearing for our lives. I was so scared the whole time. Like, you can kind of see the waterfall drop there. But it was an adventure. I was so sore after this, so it was worth it. And we had fun. So here we are just kind of exploring. And yeah, also the rocks were super hot. But Yeah, the guy was very interesting. Also, he was like, just be one with the nature, connect your soul, be one with Mother Earth, you will be fine, trust your instincts. He was just cheering me on the whole time. This guy here, he was cheering me on the whole time so I wouldn't be scared. So overall, it was a very fun day.
You can eat it.
Yeah. You see some birds with good food.
What's the name of the fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, the birds.
Yeah.
What's the name of the fruit?
It's called Mugumo Kam.
Okay, Mugumaka. Okay.
Magumo.
Yeah. Come go.
I think that was a bad one.
This is sporting for entertainment. Yeah. With country music, love and music.
Country music.
Yeah. We got to start with love and music. For I know you love each other. Yeah. And so do I. And you assume it's him singing to you, not me, right?
Okay.
You're gonna sing to me?
Yeah.
You are still singing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
It's
sing.
him singing to you.
Okay.
It's him,
I'll sing.
you assume.
I'm so true and long for you. All I have to give. All my love belongs to you. As long as I may live. There'll never be anyone else but you for me. Never be. That could be anyone else but you with me. And when we were together, I wonder if you miss me. Was I a friend with the day will come when you belong to me? And I will come and put you out, be my very own. Jambo, Jambo bana, habari gani, mzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, hoteli hakuna matata. Jambo, Jambo bibi, habari gani, mzuri sana. Tuimbe, tucheze zote, hoteli hakuna matata. Kenya nchi nzuri, hakuna matata.
I'm so hungry.
So guys, we finished our tour.
Yeah, and it
Now,
was
we're
fun.
running all around town trying to figure out a card machine to pay.
Yeah, card machine. But anyway,
So we're running around with our guide.
yeah. So I think we have a solution.
Okay guys, we just finished up
Payment.
the payment. And what a random day. We just showed up and decided to risk our lives. It was good adrenaline and we got our exercise in.
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah, it's time to go back home and prepare for a new week.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next week.